Good morning.
Good morning.
That's better. On behalf of the Center of Excellence in Healthcare, CSCOMS, the first devotion which comes to me is a very big thank you to all of you. And I've seen conferences before, or maybe seminars or workshops, but the kind of speakers that they have, come all the way around, spending their time off from their busy schedules, is something which is enormous. So from the bottom of my heart, first is a very, very warm thank you to all of you for joining us on this great program. Now, when it comes to the World Pharma Brand Managers Day, when I was communicating about this program to various people, there were two types of thoughts which actually came around. The first one was a surprise, a slightly amused reaction. And the second one was a corroboration, a confirmation that yes, we have never really heard about a Pharma Brand Managers Day. I said that if you have Father's Day, if you have Mother's Day, if you have Valentine's Day, I think it's long time that we also appreciate, the hard work and the efforts of the pharmaceutical marketing professionals. Basically, the marketing professionals start their innings in the industry as, at the grassroots level of a management trainee, and then move up in terms of the product management hierarchy as a product executive, product manager, and taking charge of the organization as such. So few years back, this idea, basically the credit of this idea goes to Professor Vivek Hattangadi. And for the information of all, when he communicated it, I was the first person to actually endorse it, and we had the first World Pharma Brand Managers Day in a very austere fashion on a personal level, held a couple of years back. And then on, some of the people, those who attended the first Pharma Brand Managers Day are also over here. I'm glad for that. But then, the thought actually came to me that yes, we need to really organize this at a slightly bigger level for various reasons. And the first reason is, from the academic perspective. Now, as Dr. Vigyan Verma said about CSCOMS, today we are one of the biggest stakeholders as far as pharmaceutical marketing is concerned, both domestic as well as international. We are actually having the highest number of professionals who enter into the pharmaceutical marketing, and they continue their career graphs over there. At the same time, in the country, we have amongst the highest number of management trainees who complete their post-graduation in pharmaceutical management. So basically, this is the originating point, of pharmaceutical marketing profession. One of the originating point of the pharmaceutical marketing professionals. And when we actually interact with the students who are the managers of tomorrow, the reflection which comes is slightly not very encouraging with respect to what's actually happening in the pharmaceutical industry, which actually has a very glorious history. And basically it's different from the other marketing, because here we have a very high impact, very high thought process of scientific validations in your marketing practices. But the image which is carried out, at the originating point is slightly different than what actually it ought to be. And number two is from an industry perspective. Today, the pharmaceutical industry, or the pharmaceutical specifically, I would say marketing practices, are at one of the very highest inflection points. And change, as Dr. Verma said, and change or maybe evolving of the next best practices is actually happening on a very fast pace. It could be the medical technology which is changing to a very large extent, impacting upon the medical professionals. It could be the presence of the digital media which is also reflected in terms of the marketing mix of the product management professionals. Or it could be, the regulatory perspectives, which has always been a challenge. So, from an industry perspective, today, where is pharmaceutical marketing shaping up? That's a very relevant question. So, what could be actually, the future with this inflection point happening around? And that is the second reason, that yes, the theme of this second World Pharma Brand Managers Day is the future of pharmaceutical marketing. And who could actually, give us sufficient food for thought when we have a big conglomeration of, I would say, gurus in pharmaceutical marketing. We have academicians, we have industry, very senior industry professionals, we have people from the medical professionals, we have the media people over here, we have the management faculty around over here, we have the healthcare management students around over here, and that is precisely the reason that we are over here trying to create a thought process in the pharmaceutical industry which would actually be the beginning point, be the initiation point for the industry practitioners in the years to come. If you see historically, academicians actually have taken lead, in trying to bring about a change. And that was the reason, Professor Chitta Mitra initiated this change few years back, focusing upon, what is the value of incremental pharmaceutical business. We would like to continue this propagation of his thought in the years to come. And I'm sure this is actually a very, I would say, humble beginning from all of us, a humble effort from all of us, trying to sensitize, the future managers as well as the practitioners over here. But I'm sure and confident, that this humble beginning should actually, become a sort of a school of thought in the years to come. Once again, on behalf of the Center of Excellence in Healthcare, a very warm welcome to all of you. We have a packed agenda for the day, and we have a lot of interesting sessions around. I'm sure the academic ambience of the SIS College of Management Studies would stimulate a lot of interesting thoughts which we are going to share around, and I'm sure this will be a very encouraging experience for all of you. So once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for coming and joining on this second World Pharma Brand Managers